For generations, the African American community surrounding New Grand Chain in Pulaski County, Illinois, used this site as a burial ground.
There's a whole family history here on this hill.
The historic section includes headstones with birth dates that precede the Civil War.
29, 1896, age 86 years old. So we found a slave cemetery.
When you go to the cemetery, you can see there, before anyone really got involved in preserving it, some of the stones are really deteriorating bad. Some are basically buried. Can't even find a person if you went to look for them. So it's very important that we do this.
There was never an official record kept. Each person that did the burial, they kept a record. And when they died out, the record died out.
With them.
As of this year, we have a record of anyone being buried in the cemetery. They can go to the Mounds Courthouse. We owe a duty to our children to let them know, the older ones that's leaving us, not to forget. Never forget.
My grandfather, Peter Anderson, who donated the land for the Church of God in Christ, which was started here in 1910. The first pastor of that church was an uncle of mine, or great uncle actually. His name was Mark Clay. He was a dynamic preacher, a dynamic man, and so he really impacted just the southern Illinois area. So that's an ancestor I have to say I'm really proud of.
The cemetery continues to serve the people of this region, and work is underway to renew the site for the future.
Our project that we're working on is to do a memorial wall, and we're going to use the frontage and spell out the name of the cemetery and list.
New burial sites will be established behind the historic section. The Cemetery Association plans to contact the descendants of those buried here for support to develop a perpetual care fund. The Henderson Cemetery near Ullen serves the African American community.
1869 is the first marked burial. There may be earlier graves here, that predate that first marked burial, but it's an old cemetery for an African American cemetery in southern Illinois.
Several Civil War veterans are buried here, including Sergeant Jerry Sutton. He's the great-great-great-grandfather of First Lady Michelle Obama.
He married Mary Moten in, I believe it was 1889, here in Pulaski County. Mary Moten was Michelle Obama's great-great-great-grandmother. And there are 6 marked graves in the cemetery for soldiers that served in the Union Army during the Civil War in the U.S. colored troops. There may be others. As you look around the cemetery, the markers themselves, especially in the old sections, they're sparse, they're few and far between. And one could only assume that for each marked grave, there are probably a dozen unmarked graves. This is a huge cemetery.